Hey guys, welcome to the top 3 editor extensions for May-June 2018. And number 1 is something called Align Tools, and Align Tools is a Unity asset which allows you to align GUI objects, and it allows you to align them, distribute them around, and it's open source so you can edit, and it's tested with Unity 5 and 17, and it's got a bunch of commands which will let you align to different positions quite easily without you physically having to move it around. The next one is something called Easy Shortcuts, and it's a list of shortcuts that the developers created, and it allows them to have a set of shortcuts to reset the transform, reset the name, toggle the inspector debug and normal modes, toggle the inspector lock and unlock, revert to prefab, save changes to a prefab, and you can get these from tools and lazy shortcuts, and you can get a bunch of details in the item below. And the third one here is called the Simplest Mesh Baker, and it's a simple plugin that allows you to bake several meshes into one object. And in addition, it comes with a Bone Baker, which is a simple wrapper which allows you to convert skin meshes into just a normal mesh renderer, and allows you to do poses in 2 clicks. So it's a good way, things like this are good for optimization, to allow objects to be essentially morphed into one object themselves. And number 4 is something called the Game Object Brush, and this is a small extension for the Unity editor which allows you to paint game objects and prefabs onto other game objects or terrains, and it has a variety of features which allows you to easily control the brush, which allows for multi-brush painting, density, size, minimax scale, align to a surface, randomize rotation, filter for slope, tag and layer, and it allows you to copy and paste brushes. And last but not least is something called Chroma Helper, and it's a free open source tool which allows you to control the timescale of a scene when it's in play mode, and you'll see as the things are modified in the video below, you can see things either stopping or allowing you to adjust to get different functionality within your game. These were the top editor extensions for May-June 2018, so be sure to thank all the developers for making these great assets free. So thanks very much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Cheers.